All right, boys, what is up? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is currently Monday, July 13th. I'm basically up on a bunch of evals. I was up a lot more this week. I was supposed to request actually a $8,000 payout today on Alpha, which would have put me at a $30,000 month. Just in July, at a $25,000 month in the last 13 days just with Alpha futures. Unfortunately, they removed their premium plans. So I will no longer be trading Alpha futures for the time being until I figure out a way to trade good accounts with them, because I'm not a big fan of their zero accounts. I'm not a big fan of their standard accounts. Maybe I trade their standards. I don't know. For the time being, I'm focused on Lucid. I'm focused on Top Step. I'm focused on Tradeify. And I'm focused on Fund the Next futures. Unfortunately, I'm currently in Bali, and due to locational reasons, it won't let me reset. I can't reset my Lucid Max accounts that I blew last week. I literally can't reset them. It doesn't let me. So I contacted support. I'm going to try to get those reset. Same thing with Fund the Next futures. I can't even buy accounts right now because I'm not in a country they allow. So I'm only trading Top Step and Tradeify. Right? These are both evals. I have passed Top Step and I have passed Top Step, and I also made another 1,000 on the Tradeify select accounts. Right? I'm gonna go over the trades I took. Right? Now, I was very bullish in AM session. Look at this. ES goes up and NQ goes down. These are days where you just stay away from the market. You just stay away from the market when this happens. You don't touch the market. This is ridiculous price action. When this kind of shit happens, you don't even look at it, right? So what I personally took was, we had a new week opening gap right over here, right? We can see price opens lower, right? Is there a specific PDRA we tap that wanted me to go long? Not necessarily. It was nothing crazy. Sorry, let me find it. But I was bullish to fill new week opening gap because we didn't fully fill it. Here. So you can see price. It's really hard to work right now without my actual computer, so I don't know the mouse. So we open here and we closed here on Friday, right? So this is the whole new week opening gap. We tapped EQ of new week opening gap and pushed lower. I wanted the whole thing to get filled, and we also made an Asia high here. So these are my draws. It was Asia high, new week opening gap fill. That's why I was bullish, right? Structure was bearish. I literally did Discord this morning. I said, look, I want longs. Structure currently is leaning bearish. Just take what we currently react off. And we ended up reacting off bearish structure, so shorts clearly played out. I personally took a long that I'll go over right now. But first off, I'm going to show you guys the trade I took, right? So 5-minute structure at 8 p.m. Flipped bullish. You can see right here, this is the 8 p.m. open. We swept this internal low, and we got a 5-minute change in state and delivery. That was what the long was based off. And once we got an open low at 8 p.m., we got that open low at 8 p.m. I was bullish. I was bullish to these highs. So 8 p.m. open low. I entered like halfway through this candle. Stops were basically here. And my TP was actually at, even though the draw was up here, yeah, it was an unfilled 15-minute gap, I believe. I keep having to scroll back. I'm sorry about this. Where am I? This is why I hate laptops for trading. Or sorry, not an unfilled 15-minute gap. Unfilled 5-minute. Yeah, it was here. Unfilled 5-minute gap right above us. So it was that 1-minute high, which was our take profit. Pretty simple trade. Basically risked like $500 to make 1,000. Ended up getting that $1,000 on the Tradeify select account. So the only reason I'm going for $1,000 days and not 1.5K days is because these evals have a 40% consistency. So since I can't 2-day pass them, I might as well 3-day pass them, and there's no reason to risk so much to make 1,500 if I can't even take advantage of the 1,500 being a 50% consistency rule aspect, right? So, and I've talked to friends that trade Tradeify, and they all say $1,000 days, right? As for Top Step, I took this pre-market. I was extremely bullish, like I said, guys. I actually entered off this on Top Step. TP was there. Risked 1,000 to make 1.5 thousand. TP hit and then it dumped and then it ripped again. But I also took this on my live account, actually. I was so bullish on my live. Targeting this high up here. Right, simple. Just like that, I took a pretty fat loss. I did de-risk on this trade, so it wasn't something I was really like worried about. I was just playing with the profits I made in London. I don't usually trade London, but I made $700 trading here. Sorry, it was Asia. So I was like, I might as well play with my profits and go for a big winning day. I did end up losing, lost all my profits for the day. Live account is back at zero, or well, $0 on the day. So not too deep, but as you can see, we ended up respecting bearish. I was bullish. My bias was wrong, I will admit. I was bullish for a few reasons. We made an SMT at this 4-hour gap. I personally don't like SMTs at gaps. I think they usually don't hold. I don't like breakaway gaps. We didn't fully fill new week opening gap. That was another factor. And we left Asian highs, right? And if we take a look at what price ended up respecting after tapping into this low to this high, we tapped 0.618 of the range. You can see right here. Or sorry, it was this low. We respected 0.618 beautifully, pushed higher, made a 15-minute gap. We also respected 0.618 within this 15-minute gap and pushed higher. So I was extremely bullish. Longs played for a bit before completely failing. But we also tapped into this daily gap. So there was a few reasons I was bullish. Unfortunately, did not play. Pretty unfortunate, but we're still up on the day on all our accounts. So nothing to complain about. If you guys want free daily bias, which I give, like I said, every day, I give free weekly bias, free daily bias, free crash course on my entire model and system. I will link that in the description. Join up the free Discord. You claim everything. There's no catch, literally nothing. I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.